Alright, this video is about how to maintain and repair your Andersen 400 series door handles. Okay, so what can happen is, it's to the ocean, that handle can snap off like that. It's corroded, nice and rusted, and it just snaps apparently. To prevent that, what you can do is I've already kind of pre-loosened this handle, but I wanted to check it. Get that off. The way you do that is you use an Allen key, and when this is on, you can see on this side there's a set screw. You just loosen it on both sides. Interior is really the one you want to go for. Pull that off, and you can slide this out. And you don't even need to pull it all the way out, but you can. You can see this is a little bit corroded. Not too bad, but we'll just put a little machine oil on it and prevent it from getting worse. Let's see if we can do this with one hand. Well, you get the idea. Come back to that. And we'll just put it back together, screw it on, and probably keep it from doing this. Anyhow, if you're going to repair that, what you're going to need to do is, well, undo the set screw on this side with the Allen key. See, focus. And just turn that. Because if you don't, you can't really pull it all. You can't just pull it out because this piece of metal has something stuck on it. So you just take that out with that little set screw. Can't focus. There's a little Allen key there. Trust me. Then you get this part, which is the spindle. Then you can just push that through and pull it out. Okay. That's out. You can take a look at it. Very rusty, very interesting. We'll take off the little plastic shield from both sides. We're gonna need that. And then what you're gonna do is order yourself a new spindle, Andersen. We measured this, and this one's the 3 3/4. There's also a 4 3/4. So you get that. Slide it back in, just like that. Just pop it into place. Put your handles on, they're square, and then tighten that Allen key on both sides. If, like this one you have here is seized up, then you have to buy a new handle, or try to get some liquid wrench, drill, tap, whatever you can do to get this thing out. But easiest thing is just to get a new one, and then we'll put this little plastic sleeve on both sides in here, and then buckle it back together with the Allen key. It's easy, and that's it.